Hello iPhone users, in this video I'm going to show you, if you want the results of your calculator to be undefined, what you have to do in your calculator, what calculation you have to put it on, right, which is going to make sure that your result is undefined. And this video here it is mentioned, but I'm going to show you by myself how it is, right? If you have ever done it, do comment and let us know if you know any other way where the result will be undefined. So we will turn on our calculator and we will start doing some calculations. So you will write 100 plus 100, and then you will subtract it by 100, and now you will have to divide it by 0, right? When you will tap on is equal to, the answer will be undefined, means there will be no answer to it, right? That's how I do it. See you next calculator video. Ta-da.